Hello parents, faculty, staff, students, alumni. I welcome you to our beautiful new studio here at St. Francis Prep, and this is a place where magic happens with SFP TV. So I do thank Mr. Di Benedetto for all the work he's done in creating this space for our students. So why are we here today? We want to establish a video production series for you. It should complement the principal's newsletter every month. So at the end of the month, the 30th of the month, we'll publish the newsletter. And in between, around the 15th or so, we'll do something like this to keep you updated. Just want to give a thank you out for last Saturday. We had our open house here, and it was outstanding. And thank you to the teachers, the staff, the students who acted as tour guides, the coaches, the clubs. It was outstanding. They did a great job, and they represented St. Francis Prep very passionately over the day. We want to start this with information giving. So this Friday, October 20th, we will have our first pep rally of the year, and we will invite our freshman students to be there at the pep rally. And right after that, we bring them downstairs to the cafeteria, and we have a club and activities fair. So they can sign up right on the spot to join a club or activity and stay with that for the rest of the year. So that's this Friday, October 20th, for the pep rally and the club and activities fair. So I'm hoping next month to invite Father Ralph in and have a conversation about the Thanksgiving liturgies and also a food donation drive as well. Very important to the school and very important to our partners around the Queens and Brooklyn area. So that's it. That's what we plan to do. So hopefully it provides you with a little bit more information about what we do here in school from 8:30 to 2:40 every day. God bless and thank you.